Welcome to Session 2. Today we move from test strategy into core SAT algebra, linear equations in one variable. The big idea is simple. Every step must create an equivalent equation, so the solution set stays the same. Use this written workflow. First distribute, then combine like terms on each side. Move variable terms to one side and constants to the other. Divide by the remaining coefficient, then check in the original equation. Here is the main example from the lesson. Solve 3 times 2x minus 4 plus 6 equals 2x plus 10. Start by distributing the 3 to both terms inside the parentheses. After distributing, combine negative 12 and positive 6 to get 6x minus 6. Subtract 2x from both sides, add 6 to both sides, and you get 4x equals 16. Divide by 4, so x equals 4. Negative distribution is one of the easiest places to lose points. In 4 minus 3 times 2x minus 5, the negative 3 multiplies both terms. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. Then combine constants to get 19 minus 6x equals 25. Subtract 19, divide by negative 6, and the solution is x equals negative 1. For fractions, multiply the entire equation by the least common denominator. In this example, the denominators are 3 and 2, so the least common denominator is 6. A linear equation can have exactly one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. If the final statement is false, like 5 equals 9, there is no solution. If the final statement is always true, like 0 equals 0, every value works. Now try one. Solve 8x plus 3 equals 5x plus 24. Move x terms first, then constants. Pause your thinking for a few seconds. Subtract 5x from both sides to get 3x plus 3 equals 24. Then subtract 3 to get 3x equals 21. Divide by 3, so x equals 7. Session 2 recap. Distribute to every term. Combine like terms before isolating. Keep equations balanced on both sides. Classify false and true final statements correctly. And always check answers in the original equation.